Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. This video is part of the YouTube series that I'm making called Zero to Hero Business Central. In this series, I already uploaded few videos on my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we are going to learn how we can embed one page inside another page. Currently, if you see, I am on the employee card page. Also, here you can see there's one more page called Contact Quick Information. As we have discussed in our previous videos, there are basically three areas in a page. So let us actually see what are those areas. Firstly, if you see this particular area, this is basically action area where you can find all the actions. Currently I do not have any actions on my employee card page, so there's no action that is shown, but over here you can basically get all the actions that you have on a page. And this particular area which we are seeing, personal information, contact information, all of this area can be called as content area, and this particular area is called as FactBox area. So let me actually do the Control Alt F1 so that we can actually see that by inspecting. So now currently we are on the employee card page, so it is going to show me employee card page. And if I click on the fact box area, here you can see it shows me a different page which is contact quick view fact box, which is of type card part. This card part page is actually embedded into the employee page, which is the main page. So let us actually see how we can do that in code. So let me go to my Visual Studio Code. In here we can find the employee page, the employee card page, and in here we can see there are different groups, like as we have seen over here. There's contact information, address information, employee information, back salary information. So here you can see there are different groups, and if I collapse these groups we can find those groups over here. So basically we have all the five groups and we have added fields into that group. This is basically area content, and if you see area fact box, which is this particular area on this side, and in that fact box area we have one part. So basically if you want to embed one page inside another page, we need to make use of this part, and we need to actually give a name to that particular part. Here you can see this is a contact quick information because I have added that contact quick view fact box to the main page, which is employee card page. And in here you can see there's this link between the main page, which is employee card page, and the contact quick view fact box page, which is basically this employee ID. So I am actually adding that link through the employee ID. So that's how we can basically add a page in a fact box area. But we can also add the pages in the content area also. So let me actually navigate to my departments list, department department list page, and let me go inside a particular department. Now here you can see I have department positions. Now if I do Control Alt F1 again, this is the main page, which is department card page. But if I click on this particular thing, it is going to be department positions, which is of type list part. As we have seen, there is no fact box area in this particular department card page because we don't have any fact boxes, but we have added a list part page to the main page, which is department card page. So let me actually go to my Visual Studio Code and let us see how we can also add this list part page to the main page. So let me copy this and let me go in here, let me paste this so that I can find it easily. So this is my department card page. In here you can see I have only one group, which is group name, and in the content area only I have added the department positions, which is of type list part. If I go to definition, here you can see this is of type list part, and I have linked both the pages with the department ID. Now let me actually comment this out and let us see what happens when I actually have only part but with no subpage link. Currently you can see these are the department position lines that I have. Here you can see The department ID is basically it refers to the department ID of the card page only. So all the lines will have only one department ID. So let me actually comment this subpage link and let us see how that actually looks in the UI when I do not have any subpage link. So let me go to my business central. Let me refresh this once. And now here you can see it shows all the data that is available on the department position lines, department positions table. So if I do view table here, let me do the login. In here you can see I have only 4 entries. Those 4 entries are shown over here, so there's no filtering based on the department ID. But if I have this sub page link, there will be filtering on the department ID, so I'll be getting only department positions which belong to this particular department ID, which is 0. So let me refresh this once, and now here you can see we have only the department positions which belong to this particular department ID. So that's all that I have about how you can link one page to another page, or how you can embed one page inside another page. As I said, this video is part of the YouTube series that I'm making called Zero to Hero Business Central AL. If you want to support me in this particular journey, you can do that by just subscribing to my channel. Also, I'll be uploading more videos in this particular channel. So if you don't want to miss them, you should definitely consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.